Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox. A lot of people are asking about this particular casting, so here it is. So the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 33. So okay, I bought this for MRP, which is 179, and this is by Hot Wheels. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. I personally, I am a bit curious to unbox this one because of the paint job, not because it's a Nissan. So again, I do love Japanese uh, technology in general. I mean, technology or even products, whatever it is. So yeah, but see, just because I like something, I'm not going to give credit to it unnecessarily, or just because I don't like something, I'm not going to reduce, point or whatever it is unnecessarily. Okay, here is the card art. The card art looks really good. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. I really don't know, guys, if you can able to see it in the in the video, but this thing is really glittering. I mean, I do love again, I love glittery stuff a lot, specifically when it comes to a car paint job. Even my own car actually has a glittery galaxy blue paint job, so that actually changes the color a little bit, when it is under sunlight. So with that said, okay guys, since I mentioned one thing now, that I have a car now. So one of my one of our channel subscriber, sometime back he was asking, he mentioned that he is really curious about what car I drive. So I did buy a car recently, like a month back. Yes, it's I did buy a car. So I was telling this about some time back. Some things are some good things are coming. Stay tuned and all, but I didn't get a chance to review my own car yet. That's since I never actually did a review of an actual car. I mean, I'm talking about a one is to one car. So I wanted mine to be the first one. So I'm just going to do that soon. I'm not sure when it is because my car is not exactly with me right now here in Chennai. It's in my native place because of space constraints and the rainy season has started here. Chennai people will know what I'm talking about. So I will be doing a review on my own car soon, maybe once I reach my native place during Diwali and all. So with that said, okay, again, that is a glittery, that's a galaxy blue. Let me give a small hint. If you guys, the color is called an Exa blue officially. So yeah. So with that said, okay, let's talk about this car now. Okay, the color looks okay. Like I mentioned, this is like a midnight purple. I can say it is not exactly black. It's kind of a midnight purple, like you can see in Undertaker's coat, during the 90s era or somewhere around that 90s era. So I used to wear this purple coat, not a pure black one. So it doesn't have any headlight details. That is a bummer. So it doesn't have any taillight details either. Okay, I think the BNR 32, I guess the last one we unboxed, the full black one, the Fast and the Furious one, that also didn't had any headlight or taillight detail. Okay, but it has livery here, HKS livery, along with what is this one? Power. Okay, HKS powers. Okay, actually, this particular color scheme goes really well with this paint job on this one. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so it has good interior detail to it. They black tinted it, but still you can see the interior here. My windshield has some scratches, so yours might not have, so don't worry about it. Again, the body is fully metal, including the spoiler. The chassis is fully plastic, and the chassis only has an exhaust detail here, which is really nice. It is a wide exhaust here. Okay, so but the paint job on this one actually looks beautiful. Okay, but again, just because I love Nissans, I'm not going to give 10 out of 10 to be honest. So okay, 35 grams, not bad. They could have went with a different set of rims, at least with red color trim or this particular blue or this particular pink, something like that. Okay, this actually suits, but that could have made it more beautiful. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay. Okay, it does roll really good. I mean, not too well or anything like that, but it does reach end of the track, and I don't see any wheel wobble. So let's rate this casting now. So it doesn't have any headlight or taillight wheels. I'm taking point 0.5 for that. So apart from that, rest everything is actually gorgeous. I'm there is no denying that. So 9.5 out of 10. Again, see, don't go for hype. If you specifically love Nissan, go ahead and buy this one. Or if you specifically love glittery cars like me, go ahead and buy this one. Again, don't buy it for hype. Buy just buy something because you love it. So I'm buying a lot of things because I need to do reviews. If I never had this YouTube channel, my collection would be like literally half this one. Whatever I'm having now. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my videos, subscribe. And as usual, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.